Modern lifestyle can be so stressful, especially when there's a constant push and pull between work, family, and other social obligations. इसमें relax करना भी it feels like a task. But figure not, I have found the best hack. I like to take out a few hours from my daily busy schedule and take care of myself and my surroundings in those hours. And the best thing is that I can unwind in the comfort of my own home. It's very important to connect with your inner self, and meditation helps me to achieve that. It helps me to clear out my mind and be prepared for my busy schedule. So let's not chit chat anymore and start meditating. There are no problems in this world which a cup of tea cannot solve. Be it my work schedules, shoots, meetings. If I have a cup of tea in the morning, then I'm good to go for the whole day. Taking care of my plant babies helps me to get rid of all the stress that I feel during the week. It has become more like a weekend fun activity for me. Being a drinkware enthusiast is never easy, because you own so many cups and mugs and all the drinkware items that you have to keep them organized so that you can pick them up whenever you need them for whatever occasion and even as well. So organizing my drinkware really helps me to de-stress and it calms my nerves a lot. I really feel flowers can elevate a home. I like to add a little bit of spark in all the corners. Firstly, I like to start with green. Then I add some pinks. And to balance them all out, I will go with white. This might look too much to you, but trust me, this is what elevates my home. Have you ever heard the term find your happy place? Well, this is mine. This is where I channel all of my positive energies through journaling and painting. Journaling really helps me a lot to express my thoughts and write down whatever I'm feeling on a day-to-day basis or whatever I'm grateful for. Writing also helps me to let go of a lot of my problems and worries. Painting is really therapeutic for me. It helps me to collect all my good thoughts and express it through colors and strokes. So yeah, this is a very relaxing activity for me. Taking a small trip every now and then really helps me to put everything into a perspective. It also helps to unwind. And what makes this experience effortless are these travel essentials, which really helps me to pack everything very easily and keep my necessities in check. Oh wait, I still have something to say. So having a healthy self-care routine can really help you to relieve a lot of stress. I know it's difficult to start, but the good thing is that you can start small and gradually build your way up to a healthy and happy life. Baking is another one of my favorite stress busters. Learning new recipes and trying them out really helps me to improve my concentration level. Also, I get to showcase my creative side. I love baking delicious desserts for my loved ones. It really fulfills my heart with immense amount of joy. Self-love has been a crucial part of my care routine. It has been a journey to learn how to slow down and pamper myself. There's no better feeling than lighting up a candle, creating an aromatic ambience, and doing your self-care routine or even makeup. I mean, whatever makes you happy from within. And of course, I need my 7 to 8 hours of beauty sleep.